Hey bitches. So you're probably wondering, what is this thing you have? Stuff full of stuff. Alright guys, so today, by the title and this bag, we are doing following a Bob Ross tutorial using dollar store supplies, because we are a broke bitch and we're poor. And this is for the bitches on a budget like me. So that was a trend going on with Bob Ross and all this, and I was like, oh my god, I like to paint. I painted when I was in high school. Dropped out in grade 11 because the teacher was yeah, that's the story of that. So I was like, you know what, she's an artiste but on a budget, so we're gonna, yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the stuff I got. So got a canvas. This baby was $4. You can see my ring light. That's cool. Yeah, this was $4, so really cheap. Got them at the dollar store. Yeah. I got some acrylic paint. These were $2 each, so $4 in total. And it has all the colors in the rainbow. So, yeah. I got this scraper. It was $2. So, yeah. And I got some brushes. This is a 2-inch, $1.25. This is a 1-inch, $1. So yeah, that's what I got. I also had some other supplies that I got from the dollar store before, because I told you I'm an artist. I actually used to paint before, so that's why. So yeah, but I had this palette. This is like $1 too, but it's from the dollar store. I'm gonna use this, and I have a whole bucket full of paints if I run out, just in case. So this is my art kit, because #artist. So yeah. Alright bitches, we're gonna get started. So yeah, I'm gonna get everything set up and come back to you. I'm just gonna put a towel here, because I'm not trying to get yelled at today for messing paint. So yeah. We are doing the Bob Ross Portrait of Winter. I'll link it down below if y'all want to do it. But we're gonna test out my painting skills.
Pre-stretched, double prime canvas, but you use whatever size.
Got that.
Brush, little tiny brush. We'll go right into a little bit of the phthalo blue. Phthalo blue is a beautiful, beautiful color blue, but it takes very little. So we just load a little color into the bristles by tapping. See, that assures a nice even distribution of color all the way through the bristles.
Gotcha.
Now then, let's start up in here. And just make little X's, little crisscross strokes. We'll go all the way across the top.
I'm feeling stressed.
Continually mixing with the liquid white that's on the canvas. And that's why it blends beautifully like this. If you had a dry canvas... That's
a different blue.
As I like to say, you'd be in Agony City about now. Because it just doesn't blend like this. There. That's the beauty of the liquid white. It just allows you to blend.
Bitch.
Alright. Cross strokes, crisscross strokes.
Got my crisscross strokes. Okay, you're going a little too fast, Bobberoo, so I'm gonna need you to slow down, sir. Okay, we're just gonna do crisscross. Oh my god. I'm getting it on my door. My mom's gonna kill me. Okay, whatever. You know, we can fix it later, you know. It's fine. It's fine. Oh my god, that is looking uneven. Sir. Houston. We have a problem. So I added water because it wasn't blending properly, and it kind of helped. But now I think it's turning into watercolor. So like that's a problem. So
I want a little water in this painting.
Oh, he added water too, bitches. See, I knew I was smart. That looks okay, right? Right? See, I don't have a paint stand because that shit's expensive. I mean, it looks okay. Not gonna lie. That looks fine, kind of. Oh Lord, that's looking patchy. Ugh. Okay, hold on. I can fix it.
Wash the old brush. shake off the excess, and just beat the devil out of it.
We're not beating the devil out of any brush in this household, okay? No.
All right.
Sorry, Bob.
We can just stay with that same old brush and go right into a little bit of the.
Okay, we're just.
Bit of the titanium.
I'm not gonna even wash it.
The corner, right into a little bit of white there.
I'm not even gonna wash
Okay,
it.
let's go up here. Now then, I just want to make some little fluffy clouds.
Yeah, me too.
And today I'm just going to do that by just tapping. Just tapping. That's all you have to do.
Oh, bitch, do you see my clouds though? Yes.
Because they're the simplest, easiest kind of clouds that I've ever found. Let's get a friend. You know me. I think everybody should have a friend, so we'll do the same thing.
Well, I don't have friends, so... Yeah, but we're gonna make a cloud friend, so it's fine.
Right there. We'll just tap in another happy little cloud.
I think this whole area is a cloud at this point. Oh, Lord. That looks really bad. So, I tried fixing it. Keyword there. Tried. I tried fixing it. It looks okay now, sort of. It looks worse in person. What are we doing next, Bob?
Now then, today I'm going to make a little mountain.
Okay.
In past series, we've made a lot of mountains.
Yeah.
But I still get requests every day for mountains. It seems to be the favorite thing.
His paint looks thicker than mine,
There's
so
a little black.
that's a problem.
Prussian blue and some alizarin crimson all mixed together. But it still looks blue. Pull it out as flat as you can get it. Cut across, and we have our little roll of paint. Live with an eye. Let's go right up in here. You have to make your first major decision. Where does your mountain live? In our world, it lives right there.
Okay, bitch, how'd you do that?
Right there.
Hold
you have
up.
to make your first major decision. Where does your mountain live? In our world, it lives right there. Right there. Now you have to make a lot of decisions. How many little peaks and bumps do you have in your mountain?
Oh,
And this is a very
bitch! Yes, bitch. Okay, hold up.
You decide.
Okay, we don't want to get too cocky now.
Or it could be a mountain that you've seen only in your imagination. It doesn't matter. But it's your mountain. That's
My
the
mountain.
thing that counts. That it's your mountain. It makes you happy when you paint it.
Yeah.
There. Put another one right there. What the heck? This is a good day to have a little exercise in painting mountains. Alaska so long.
Ah! That's like decent. It's not that bad. It's my first time making mountains, y'all. It's not that bad, right? Ooh, my mountain sister snatched, bitch. Okay. Now we went back into this.
Just pull it.
Oh, he's pulling it. Okay.
Very gently. And you can just move the paint on this wet canvas. Blend it. And if you can see the entire mountain, it's always more distinct at the top than it is at the bottom.
Mine's looking distinct throughout the whole thing.
Automatically, that'll happen.
That's a problem.
Automatically. You don't even have to worry about it. Don't even have to think about it. Just blend it.
Okay.
See, already I see.
So that's a problem we got, is because I have a lot of paint on here. So I'm going to go rinse this and BRB. We're going to wipe this off. Okay, can we do that? Of course we can do it because it's my painting, bitch. We're going to do it the way I want to. Okay, so now he's
Point of the knife.
He's adding some snow, so we're gonna add some snow to our mountains because we live in Canada. Let's do it. He's like, no pressure, bitch. I feel the pressure. I feel nervous. I feel nervous.
Just put it right up here at the point. And then
I feel nervous.
But no pressure. I can't say that enough times. Can't say that enough times.
Boy, I feel pressure.
Mountains are one of the most fantastic things to paint.
No.
I just love them.
Can't
so
say I feel the same, you know?
Now, we'll take some white, a little bit of titanium white. Some of the
It definitely looks better far away. Just like, is a Monet? Is that the word, Monet? I think that's the word. It looks good from far away, but then when you get close up, it looks disgusting. It's fine.
My son Steve, if there's anything that he really excels at in painting, it's mountains. Everywhere I travel that he's been, people tell me, well, his mountains sure put yours to shame. But don't tell him that. He'll get the biggie.
My mountains are putting everyone's to shame. Ooh, bitch! She's actually looking good. Like, whew! Guys, she's actually looking good. I fixed her. She's a good sister. Looking tragic.
That is looking actually really good.
No, it is not.
No, I swear it's looking really good.
No.
I wouldn't lie to you.
It looked better before I jacked it up.
What did you do?
I added... Hold up, skirt.
No, you just messed it up. It looked better. It looked more realistic.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix it after. Oh. This video is just me fixing my disaster of a painting.
Why does it look blue now?
Bitch, it's supposed to be blue.
I didn't know mountains were blue.
Shut up. Are you Bob Ross? No.
Are you? Okay.
I am Bob Ross.
Brooke, you just put it white too far.
2.0. It looks fine. It's a mountain illusion. That looks fine. Stop!
Mom, what is on the wall? Mama's gonna kill you.
I'll just paint it again. Look, now it's even more ugly. You messed me up by coming in here. Get out. Get out.
Okay.
His looks more blended. Mine looks messy. What the hell? Okay, bitch. So after fixing it a gajillion times, I think I finally got it. It looks okay. Yeah. So he wanted us to do 2 mountains, but this was hard enough. So this is as good as it's gonna get. So I didn't have a fan brush. So I took one of my makeup fan brushes. Rest in peace, 2018, yeah. So we're gonna paint some trees.
I think so.
Doesn't really look like a tree.
But that's traditional.
Oh my god, bitch, what is going on? She's ugly, she's disgusting. This went from 0 to shit real quick. So he wants us to paint some bushes. Oh no. Sis. Oh. Alright guys, so this is gonna finish whatever this is. Okay, I tried the trees. I ended up painting over it because it looked horrible. It still looks horrible, okay? But this is what it's gonna happen, okay? It looks okay, I guess. I mean, I kind of gave up after 2 hours later. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you guys like to see me struggling, subscribe, because I struggle a lot on my channel and this is a mess. Yeah, my hands are a mess, just like my life. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe. Love you guys. Don't forget to love yourself. If you try this painting, send me a picture. It's probably a lot better than mine. Don't use dollar store materials. Doesn't work that good. Yeah. So, it looks alright. It looks like a Monet. Is that the word, Monet? Looks like a Monet. Good from far away. Ugly from up close and personal. Does it look ugly from far away? Probably. But yeah. Love you guys. Peace.